Hi, this is Lucy Taylor, and this is my presentation on the Mar Vista tract by Gregory Ain. The tract is a subdivided housing estate of 52 households in the Los Angeles suburbs. It was developed in 1948. Gregory Ain designed the houses with folding and sliding walls to provide flexibility in the number of bedrooms in response to the changing life cycles of the inhabitants. And 60 years later, among the 52, there are 51 houses that have been preserved. And as of 2003, the tract has been designated with an historical preservation overlay zone of the city of Los Angeles. This is the biography of Gregory Ain. He was known as a dedicated social activist, and he strongly believed that architecture could enhance people's lives. He was deeply committed to creating well-designed communities and affordable housing accessible to all. The Mar Vista tract was co-designed with Garrett Ekbo. He is hailed as the pioneer of modern landscape architecture, and similar to Gregory Ain, he views design as a catalyst for societal transformation. The Mar Vista tract was originally designed to encompass 100 homes. The first phase was 52 homes, and that was the only phase that was actualized. It was a collaboration between a developer and Gregory Ain, along with two of his architect colleagues, Joseph Johnson and Alfred Day, along with Garrett Ekbo as landscape architect. The development was promoted as Modernique homes. The tract is located in Mar Vista, which is an area of West Los Angeles. It was subdivided in the 1920s and became part of the city of Los Angeles shortly thereafter. And the tract was developed as part of the massive development that happened just after World War II to provide homes for the workers in the aerospace industry and their families. Some of the distinctive design features of the tract are its minimalist design, its integration with nature and outdoor spaces, its community-oriented layout, the open floor plans and flexibility, the use of natural light and large windows, the interconnection of the homes in the neighborhood, and shared common spaces. The average floor area of the standardized units is approximately 1,050 square feet. There are 8 different variations to the plan, as you can see at the right. Ain used a 4-foot modular grid for the composition and construction of not only the floor plan, but also for each component of the house, including the doors and windows. This grid and standardization allowed for mass production and eliminated waste in material and costs. Major rooms are separated by sliding and folding partitions and built-in furniture, and can be changed from a 3-bedroom to a 2-bedroom or a 1-bedroom configuration. There is a built-in dining table between the kitchen and living room, and the living room has floor-to-ceiling windows with access to the patio. The site plan shows all of the 52 houses and which configuration is located where. There were symmetrical arrangements that were mirrored, and they were broken up with the varied positioning of the garages. There was a palette of 23 distinct colors used for the interiors, which coordinated with the exterior colors. There were customizable options, such as different roof forms, pergolas, windows, decks, trellises, canopies, and flower boxes. ECBO and AIN crafted unique landscaping plans for each residence. Instead of allocating separate backyard spaces for each house, they allocated a portion of the area between back-to-back units as a communal backyard, encouraging residents to engage socially in shared spaces. Here is a site plan, the original site plan that shows the front and backyard landscaping layouts. ECBO used a large number of planting materials to create a park-like atmosphere along the streets, opening up the space between houses to allow for more spatial social interactions, as opposed to creating boundaries and high walls and fences. Landscape and site plan features also balance the opportunity for social interaction with the need for privacy. Here is an aerial view of the tract. The white area is the unbuilt area and the orange area is the built area. You can see it has quite a bit more tree canopy than the surrounding areas. This is an original floor plan. This is another floor plan, and to the right of it are the 4 different configurations that can be made by moving the folding walls. On the left are 2 photos that show the opening between the kitchen and the dining living area. There are some current exterior photos showing the mature landscaping. Small details such as the porch supports and the gates differentiate the units from each other. There are some interior photos. Here's an isometric without the roof, showing the distinctive features such as the patio that opens up to the living area, the window pass-through area between the kitchen and dining living room, the flexible movable walls that can create different numbers of bedrooms, the kitchen being directly inside the front door, and the attached garage, the open floor plan, the simple and modular layout, and the modest overall house size and shape. In conclusion, Gregory Ain dedicated himself to a series of socially motivated housing projects. Among his most outstanding contributions to housing development, the Mar Vista Tract emerges as a great example of his innovative spatial organizational skills. He exhibited remarkable ingenuity by employing standardized housing units in a variety of diverse configurations, orchestrating their placement with care, and thoughtfully integrating landscaping and other design elements. His deliberate use of symmetry and diversity in his housing layout enriched the designs and resulted in Mar Vista Tract being a successfully and livable community, even 60 years in. Ain and ECBO's incorporation of lush green landscaping into the development contributes significantly to the streetscape's visual complexity. with these elements being thoughtfully arranged within the city blocks. The result is a striking urban composition and a testament to Aine's ability to blend form and function in aesthetically pleasing and still economical ways. What truly sets Aine and Expo's approach in the Mar Vista tract apart is its capacity to address common challenges in affordable housing development. Their designs actively combat the monotony often associated with such projects. They breathe life into otherwise uninspiring streetscapes and integrate housing developments into their surrounding neighborhoods. Aine's methodology remains relevant today, offering innovative and cost-effective solutions for social housing projects in contemporary practice.